It's that time again. Nobody looks forward to it. But it's time to clean the tents. As you can see, things have gotten a bit dirty. But we'll take care of that today. We're going to start by vacuuming all the larger stuff off the floor. This is going to give us a cleaner workspace for the rest of our cleaning. While we're down here, we want to make sure to get everything out of any crevices. Next, we're going to start wiping down the walls of our tent. We want to make sure to wipe away any dust and pollen. Next, we're going to give the fans a wipe down. These are probably going to require the most work. With a damp paper towel, it's fairly easy to clean the grill. Now that this fan's looking better, we can take care of the other two. Once the fans have been taken care of, we'll wipe down the rest of the equipment inside the tent. Next, we're going to wipe down the floor. What products do you use for cleaning your grow tent? How often do you clean your grow tent? What other cleaning steps would you recommend to new growers? Let us know down in the comments. Now we've got this tent looking much better. All we do now is move things back in and get ready for the next crop. I hope this short guide helped you clean up your grow tent. And I hope to see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, Harvest Watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.